Hey guys, today we're going to be making a slime video, and it's my first video, so it's probably going to be very cringy. I found a new activator, which is very cool actually, don't mind my dog. So I went to the dollar store, and I got this slime, and it's called Funny Neon Slime, and it works. So basically what you do is I already done like 3 slimes with this, and I'll just show you an outcome of it. I'm going to make it different though. But it's stretchy, it's a little bit sticky, but I made this like 2 days ago, so that's probably why. But all you need for your activator is, all you need is water and your funny neon slime. Don't give full credit to me because I wasn't the first one to do this. I saw this other YouTuber that made this slime with not the same thing though. So I'm using funny neon slime, which is like those slimes where like you buy it and then like you play with it and it like feels like it's liquid in your hands, but it's not, and it leaves like no residue. Yeah, those type of slimes. And I tried this, and I used pink, but there's also a yellow, I think, and you can use that too. So I guess you just put it into a bowl. I'm using this um, Chinese food bowl thing, and all you're gonna need is your activator, which is with the slime, the funny neon slime, and water, and you just mix it together. It can be any temperature. I just use normal temperature, and then I think I use other temperatures. I don't know. And there is something to mix with. I'm using this bowl. Well, it's not really a bowl. And then I really like this spoon, and I think it's really nice. So I'm using the other end of it. I don't want to use this end because I'm playing with slime. So if you don't have glue, go and buy it or click off the video because this is what I'm using. I'm using clear glue. I'm not sure if normal glue works. I didn't try it yet because I don't have normal glue. I only have clear glue. So you pour some glue into your container or whatever you're using. This is sort of a cup though. So you just pour a little bit into. I eyeball it. I don't really care. Ooh. You just eyeball it how much you ever want. And you put that aside. And then you can decorate it. I'm going to be using green with this nice purple stuff, purple glitter. And you just add some of your food coloring, or if you want to make clear slime. Well, you can't really make fully clear because mine, since it's pink, has a pink tint to it. I'm just using a lot of green, so it just looks fully green. And good clicks, by the way. And I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. I don't like a lot of glitter, honestly, because it gets all over the place. So then you mix it around. Crap, I used the wrong side. Whatever. Still works. I don't know why I just cringed, smiled. Okay, whatever. And you add your water. Try not to add the actual slime because then you'll get into it and it just won't work. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the water. See, you can't really overactivate this since it's like very hard to start off. See, it's already starting to form. I'm sorry, I don't have anything to hold up, so I'm just using some tape to hold it up. It's weird. But it's already starting to work, which is crazy actually. When I first did this with this one, when I first did it, oh god, it's all over my hands. When I first did it, I didn't expect it to work. I was like, no, it's not gonna work. And I was, 1 second. What? What? Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back. So, you're gonna have to add a lot of activator. Oh gosh, looks like gross stuff. Then you just continue to mix it. And once it mixes, and it's not even that sticky actually. Once you mix it, it'll actually like start to form, which it already is starting to form actually, which is really cool. I was naysaying it, and I didn't really expect it to work. So, you know how when you mix slime and only like the outer layer is actually like making slime, and then like when you play with it, it'll rip, and then all of the glue will fall out, and like you have to activate it again. Oh, I hate that. Since that's what's happening. I don't know. I don't know why I'm very jittery today. So I'm just gonna take it out now. I don't know if it's gonna work. Here you go, it's out. No? There you go. It's not very good. But I know it works, and once you start to play with it, I added too much activation. Once you start to play with it, it'll start to work, and if it doesn't work, you're using something wrong, because, I added, what you call it to this, lotion to this, and it works perfectly. And I think I added a little bit of lotion to my other one. I already made like 3 slimes of this. It's cool. I think this is just, it's clumping up, it's working. It's not sticking together. Don't you hate that? Slime piece. It's working. It's not really that stretchy yet. Once you start like working it, and of course, while I'm making this video, they have to freaking work on the lawn. It has good clicks. Not very stretchy though. I don't have any stuff on. But it sort of works. It's slime. I can't lie. I'm not lying. It is slime. It's getting stretchier. But there you go. I have to end the video now. Like the video, subscribe. I don't know. And yeah, there's the slime, and it's actually turning out really good. I was surprised. And now there's a bunch of freaking activator on the table. But it has good clicks, if you can hear that. I suggest making more of it and adding lotion and stuff. I only added a little bit of lotion to this. Well, maybe not a little bit, maybe a little bit more. And it works. I also have like 2 other ones. I guess I'll showcase those too. Put this one away. I put this one in the funny neon slime box since I'm needing it anymore. It makes funny noises. Second grade. I don't know where I'm gonna put this slime. I might as well add it to this one. So this is the second one that I made. It's actually 2 slimes mixed together. It's actually really good, surprisingly. Oh, I'm about to fall. Here's the slime. Very, very stretchy. And then I think I have to. This is actually a perfect slime. But yeah, that's all for. Oh my god, that's all for today. I might be posting another one today or something. I'll probably be posting tomorrow since I don't know, I can't. And then the last one, which I don't know if it's anything. It seems, but it's purple with. Nope, it's not stretchy at all. Of course it is. It has good clicks and it's sort of stretchy. But it's very sticky. Most of them aren't very, heck, over me now. Today I might be making another slime video of slime pet peeves because I can. Yeah. I'll most likely be wearing a different shirt too. Won't be at the same time of the day. But here's the outcome of today's slime. It's very stretchy now, unexpectedly. And when you wait for it to, because I'm making it with clear glue. I don't know if white glue works, but once you make it with other different slimes, but yeah, you know, it works. This one's good too. Stretchy. Bring it back. Bring everything back. Everything's done. I got it all over my hands now. I might not be able to see it, but yeah. This one, I don't know what to do with, so let's put that in there. So that's today's video, guys. Have a good day. Have a good day. I'll be posting another one today, probably of slime pet peeves. I'm mainly gonna be a slime channel. I'm mainly gonna be a slime channel. I might do a few video games and stuff, or like, I don't know. Mainly a slime person. Maybe like, so mainly a slime person. I already said that like 5 other times. Mainly a slime person, 6 times. But I might be doing other types of videos. I'm not sure. Maybe like nail video. Cause I don't know. I like doing nails. So yeah, that's my video. Subscribe. It'll really help me. Like the video and comment. I probably get like 1 comment. I don't know. Bye guys. I have to freaking turn this off.